Hello friends. The trips of the hippies are always associated with nature and freedom. Each of their trips always has a car van, a companion. A hand-painted vintage van car with wooden background on a wood slice painting. A meaningful symbol for hippies is the hand-painted van car. Every time you look at a wood slice painting, you will see the soul of the hippies. This is a great gift for hippies and travel lovers. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.